I made me a finger joiner. It's cheap. Does the job. First time did not go so well, that's why there's this hole here. However, the second time I fastened the board, made this hole, and then using a 1/4-inch chisel spaced it off so that way I had the gap that I needed to come in and make this hole, again fastening the wood down with a clamp. And then made sure it worked and then put in the 2 screws to hold it in place. This cost me, I think, 20 bucks on Amazon. However, it didn't fit my regular router, so I had to buy a little trim router for it to fit. That was like 25 bucks at Walmart. And what can I say? It works. I don't have 3 hands to be able to make a video of it running, but that's what it did. And it's just a trial, but after I got it set, it made really nice box joint, I think, for what I've invested and my limited experience. I think I did pretty good.